Want to make $1,000 a month with a digital product that you build once and sell forever? Let's dive into how you can create and sell Notion templates, even if you don't consider yourself a designer. First, pick a template type that solves a problem. Think about what people need in their daily lives. Productivity tools, finance trackers, content planning resources, or business management systems are all great options. Some of the top-selling Notion templates include daily planners, student dashboards, freelance client trackers, and budget systems. The key is to focus on usefulness rather than just aesthetics. Your template should genuinely help someone streamline their life or work. Once you've chosen your template type, it's time to build it in Notion. Use the platform's blocks and layouts to your advantage. You can find plenty of free Notion templates online for inspiration. Customize your layout with headers, tables, and toggles to keep it minimal and clear. Adding some personality with emojis, color dividers, and easy-to-read categories can make your template more appealing. Before you launch, make sure to test it out yourself to ensure everything works smoothly. Now, let's talk about where to sell your templates. Gumroad and Etsy are both excellent platforms, but Gumroad is particularly user-friendly and free to start. Simply upload your Notion Share link as a digital product. Enhance your listing with mockups created in Canva and set a price that reflects the value you're offering, typically between $5 and $25. Use benefit-driven product titles like Ultimate Student Dashboard or Weekly Content Planner for creators to attract buyers. Promotion is crucial for driving sales. Pinterest, Reddit, and Twitter are fantastic traffic sources for Notion templates, even if you don't have a large following. On Pinterest, post your Canva mockups with searchable titles to reach a broader audience. Engage with communities on subreddits like r/Notion or r/productivity, sharing your templates and insights. On Twitter, share previews or tips related to your templates and pin them to your profile. Consistency is key. Aim to post 3 to 5 times a week to build momentum. Finally, consider reinventing and bundling your templates. Take a single budget tracker and expand it into a full finance bundle. You can add bonuses like icons, content calendars, or embedded widgets to increase the perceived value of your offering. The goal is to make each sale worth $20 or more by providing more value in one click. Notion templates are not only easy to create but also scalable and low cost. Focus on a niche that excites you, build your templates with clarity, and start promoting them. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your digital products into a reliable source of income.